Hello, my name is Jorge Hernandez. I am the product specialist at Wilden Pumps, and today we are going to show you how to retrofit an existing pump out in the field. We're going to retrofit it to fit the pump cycle monitor into the air valve. This is our method number one, where we're going to swap out an existing pump on the air spool and the end cap. So we're going to flip this upside down to access our end cap and to get our two bolts removed. We're going to use the bolts and the end cap to help remove the air spool. Let's twist it on. Remove it, set it aside. And then we're going to get our air spool with the set screw and the magnet inside. Slide it in. At your end cap with the reed switch, already pre-drilled. Cables. Our screws back in. Make sure you torque these to spec. Those will be found in the EOM. And now we're ready to start up and connect to the pump cycle monitor. This is going to be method number two, which is going to be the easiest to retrofit a existing pump with the pump cycle monitor. And that's just to remove the air valve assembly. So we're going to first start off by removing the 4 bolts. Remove the air valve assembly. Then once you get your new pump cycle monitor air valve assembly, you're going to also want to make sure you have your gaskets on. Okay. You also have some indicators to make sure that you assemble this in the correct orientation. Okay. Then pull here, and pull here. Reattach. And your torque specs can be found in the EOM. So you want to follow the EOM rebuild instructions and torque it down. And now the pump is ready to go. Next, we're going to show you how to wire up your cables once you have the pump cycle monitor air valve assembly installed into the NEMA 4 enclosure module. So first what we're going to do is loosen up all the four screws. They are Phillips head screws. Okay. Get your wires, route them through the grommet. And you have your connector here that you're going to wire up the 2 outer pins with the cables. You have a pin release lock at the top. So you're going to insert your tool to open up the slot and insert your cable. And it does not matter which side goes where. You have them in, gently pull the cable, put your cover back on, and tighten up the screws again. Once you have all 4 tightened, your cycle counter is ready to go and wired to your reed switch. Thank you for watching this episode of Wilden Pumps. Stay tuned for the next one.